DGS stage crew is in charge of creating the sets and props for plays, and very much involved in lighting and audio. They are often overlooked compared to the actors in plays. William Evans, the sponsor for Stage Crew, explains his views.
I see it and I'm excited about it, right? Because the show is coming up. But in the professional world, it's a lot easier to make a living on this side of things than it is to make a living on stage.
I mean, it is our job to make them look good. They do the acting part, they memorize their lines, they do their part, and we just have to do ours. And so we work together, but I do feel like they get more recognition because they're actually seen on stage while we're behind the scenes helping the show run.
To be on stage, you have to have a lot of different things to make it in the world, and that's not always the way. So educational theater is a little different, right? So you shine in different ways, and I think the crew gets to show off their work, right? While the actors are rehearsing a play for 6 weeks, we're building and painting the play for 6 weeks.
At least for me, that's where I find my joy, where I can see the stuff that I've actually made and stuff that is actually tangible be put into action.
And while their name is in the program and the back actors get to take a bow, the last bow that the actors do is they motion to the booth, right, which is their thank you to the crew. And usually that garners a pretty big applause from the audience too. So I think we get recognized as much as we need to get recognized.
This is Henry Pearson with the Blueprint News.